Geeta bought 2 by 5 meter of lace and Shamim, I hope I'm reading that right, bought 3 by 4 meter of the same lace to put a complete border on a tablecloth whose perimeter is 1 meter long. So there are quite a few information. Find the total length of the lace the two got together. Will the lace be sufficient to cover the whole border? Okay. So first is, whenever we get any kind of complicated question, we'll analyze. So we have same material. One is 2 by 5 meters and another is 3 by 4 meters. So they're asking us to figure out what is the sum. And they're trying to put it across a table whose perimeter is, what does perimeter mean? Yes, sum of all sides is equal to 1 meter. So let's have a look. First thing is, let's figure out the total. That's a simple, straightforward thing to do. Total length of the lace is given by, yes, is given by Geeta's lace plus Shamim's lace. And this is 2 by 5 plus 3 by 4. But we can't add them because the denominator are not the same. So let's make them same. For that, I need to figure out the LCM. So LCM between 5 and 4 is 20. So we're looking at converting 2 by 5 into a fraction, which is equal to 2 by 5, but with a denominator of 20. So how do we do that? I need to multiply with 4 and so with the numerator as well. And this becomes 8. And next we have 3 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 4 into 5 and 5, 15 by 20. And therefore we have 8 by 20, 15 by 20, 8 plus 15 by 20. And so this is 8, 16, 24, 23 by 20. Okay guys, so the total length is 23 by 20 meters. Now the question is, can it cover, right? The other question is, will the lace be sufficient to cover the whole border? How can we tell that? How can we tell this? So remember, this is what? Is this a proper fraction or an improper fraction? Improper fraction, is it not? Let's convert it into a, let's convert this into a mixed fraction. So we have 20, let me do it over here, dividing 23, so 20 and we have 3. Remember, we need to just continue with 20 over there, write the quotient over here and the remainder over here. But 1 3 by 2 is nothing but 1 plus 3 by 20, not 2, 20. This means passing 1 meter, we have 3 by 20 meters as well. So from this we can infer that, yes, there is sufficient length to cover the perimeter. Okay guys, So clearly the numerator is bigger than denominator, indicating that we have a whole part and then the fractional part. Because it's crossing the whole part, that whole part represents that there is one entire length, one entire meter plus some fractions. And so we can conclude that yes, we have sufficient material.